you had a great week. I had a pretty good week. I also had a really busy day today. I've been out running lots of little errands and running around like a crazy person trying to get them done. I had hoped to pick up my car today because you remember I had a fender bender a few weeks ago, and I thought it was something fairly simple to repair, but apparently there was more to it than they originally thought. So hopefully I'll get my car back in the next couple days. But now we're on our way to my house, and we're gonna make an appetizer, have a glass of wine, and enjoy the rest of the afternoon. We've decided we're going to go outside, sit by the pool with a glass of wine and decompress. And so let's put together a quick appetizer to enjoy while we're watching the sunset. All we need for this appetizer recipe is shelled pecans, and I'm using Ad-Top pecans. These are from Georgia, and a dear friend brought these to me, and it's a 24-ounce package, but I'm only going to use 12 ounces. And butter. I use Kerrygold Irish butter, but you can use any butter you want. You can even use margarine. It makes absolutely no difference. And the same with salt. I'm using Italian sea salt because I'm trying to finish up this little bottle, and that's what I have in the pantry, and I'm going to use it. And then you need to preheat your oven to 250 degrees. I am going to put half of this bag on a cookie sheet. Now you can use either aluminum foil or parchment paper to line it so you don't have any cleanup afterwards. And I'm going to spread these evenly. And they're going in the oven for 30 minutes. While we're letting the pecans bake, I am going to slice up an apple and make a little tray to enjoy while we're out. And then I also have some cheese, and I'm going to add to it. There are apples, and I'm just using a wooden cutting board to use for as a tray. Nothing too fancy. It's just a cutting board. And so let's get the pecans out of the oven, and then I'll show you the next step. Now you can see I piled the pecans in the center of the pan, and that's because I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of butter. Now I didn't say this was fat-free. I did say that we're going to enjoy it. So I'm going to stir this while they're warm, and I'm going to let that butter melt. Let me get some salt and add to it. I'm going to take some sea salt, sprinkle it in with the butter, and you can smell the toastiness of the pecans. So yummy. Whether you pronounce these nuts pecans or pecans, I think we can all agree they are delicious. I can't wait for you to try them. I'm going to scoot this over just a little bit so I can add a few more of the pecans. And then I'll add a little color with some fresh basil I've grown, because that will make it extra special. And we have our little tray of appetizers. We'll have our wine, and let's go outside and enjoy it. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are not a subscriber, please tap the subscribe button and follow me on Instagram. Bye.